My dear loving student, now I want to discuss problem of AP involving trigonometrical ratios or sine formula, cosine formula, CD formula. Here ABC are in AP, then sine A minus sine C by cos C minus cos A is equal to tan B, cot B, tan 2B. None of these. Application of CD formula here involves ABC are in AP, so 2B is equal to A plus C. This we have. Now sin A minus sin C by cos C minus cos A is equal to apply sin C minus sin D, cos C minus cos D. It will be twice sin A minus C by 2 cos A plus C by 2. It will be twice sin A plus C by 2 and sin A minus C by 2. It will be cos A plus C by 2 sin A plus C by 2. A plus C is equal to 2B, so cos 2B by 2 by sin 2B by 2. That is cos by B by sin by B, that is cot B. So B is correct option. My dear student, if A is the aim of B and C and these two geometric means are G1 and G2, then prove that G1 whole cube plus G2 whole cube is equal to twice ABC. My dear student, is a combined application of M and GM. So now we have this question may be asked in MCQ form. A G1 cube plus G2 cube is equal to twice ABC. G1 cube plus G2 cube is equal to twice BC. And G1 cube plus G2 cube is equal to twice AC, and none of these. My dear student, it is given that A is the aim of B and C. So A is equal to B plus C by 2. That is 2A is equal to B plus C. Since G1 and G2 are two geometric means between B and C, so B, G1, G2, C are in GP. Common ratio is equal to C by B to the power 1 by 3. C by B to the power 1 by 3. And now G1 is equal to BR. B is equal to C by B whole to the power 1 by 3. That is C to the power 1 by 3 into B to the power 1 minus 1 by 3. So now G1 is equal to C3, C to the power 1 by 3, B to the power 1 minus 1 by 3. Now G1 can be written as C to the power 1 by 3, B to the power 2 by 3. G2 is BR square. G2 is equal to B and C by B whole to the power 2 by 3. And after simplification, G2 is equal to B to the power 1 by 3, C to the power 1 by 3. G1 cube is equal to B to the power 2 by 3, C to the power 1 by 3 whole cube. G1 3 is equal to B cube C. Similarly, G2 cube is equal to B1 3 into C2 C by 2 by 3 whole cube, that is BC square. So G1 cube plus G2 cube is equal to B cube C plus BC square. Take common BC, to B plus C. So from first and 5, we have G1 cube plus G2 cube is equal to BC, B plus C, that is BC into 2A, that is 2ABC. 2ABC, my dear student, G1 cube plus G2 cube is equal to twice ABC. Hence option is correct. Now, I want to solve some problem involving degree and radian. 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Pi by 12, that is 15 degree is equal to pi by 12 radian. 30 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 30 pi by 6 radian. 45 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 45 pi by 4 radian. 60 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 60 pi by 3 radian. My dear student, if the angles of a triangle are in AP, then measure of the one angle in radian is pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 2, 2 by 3. Here, my dear student, there is no first term and no common difference. But sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That's why we consider first term is A minus D, second term is A, third term is A plus D, where D is the common difference. Therefore, from angle sum property, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 180 degree. 3A is equal to 180 degree. A is equal to 180 by 3. A is equal to 60 degree. And now A is equal to pi by 3. Option B is correct. Now my dear students, now I want to solve some problems which can be solved by applying some techniques. If A square B square, AB plus BC and B square C square in GP, prove that ABC are also in GP. It may be asked in form of multiple type of question. ABC in GP, ABC in AP, 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP, none of these. It is given that A square plus B square, AB plus BC, B square plus C square are in GP. So AB plus BC whole square is equal to A square plus B square into B square plus C square. And multiplying it, we have A square B square plus A square C square plus B square C square plus B to the power 4. And after simplifying, we have B square minus AC whole square. That is B square is equal to AC. So A, B, C are in GP. This is the condition of when three numbers ABC are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. If ABC are in GP and A to the power 1 by X, B to the power 1 by Y, C to the power 1 by Z, prove that X, Y, Z and are AP. It may be asked in the form of multiple type of question. X, Y, Z are in AP. X, Y, Z are in GP. 1 by X, 1 by Y plus 1 by Z are in GP. None of these. We have A to the power 1 by X, B to the power 1 by Y, C to the power 1 by Z is equal to lambda. Since ABC are in GP, so B square is equal to AC. The value of B is equal to lambda Y is lambda to the power Y square. B is equal to lambda to the power Y. A is equal to lambda to the power X. C is equal to lambda to the power Z. So lambda to the power 2i is equal to lambda to the power X plus Z. So 2i is equal to X plus Z. So X, Y, Z are in AP. My dear student, following problems may be asked in the form of multiple type of question. If A square, B square, C square are in AP, then prove that the following are also in AP. 1 by B plus C, 1 by C plus A, 1 by A plus B, A by B plus C, B by C plus A, C by A plus B are also in AP. If B plus C minus A by A, C plus A minus B by B, B plus A minus C by C are in AP, then prove that 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. My dear student, these problems will be solved by some techniques. It is proved that this type of problem using technique. Since 1 by B plus C, 1 by C plus A, 1 by A by B will be in AP. जिसको प्रूव करना है उसी को लेके चल रहा है. तो 1 by C plus A minus 1 by B plus C is equal to 1 by A plus B by 1 minus C by A. And after simplifying, we have B minus A by B plus C, C minus B by A plus B. And after doing cross multiplication, we have B square minus A square is equal to C square minus B square. So 2B square is equal to A square plus C square. So if AB square, C square, A square, B square, C square are in AP. So if this much will be in AP, then A square, B square, C square in AP. If A by B plus C, B by C plus A, C by A plus B will be in AP, then you have to prove A square, B square, C square are in AP. A square, B square, C square are in AP. My dear student, this is in AP. So we add each term by 1. A by B plus C plus 1. A by B plus C plus A plus 1. C by A plus B plus 1. And it will be A plus B plus C by B plus C. B plus C plus A by C plus A. C plus A plus B by A plus B are in AP. That is 1 by B plus C, 1 by C plus A, 1 by A plus B are in AP. Proved as above. So A square, B square, C square are in AP. इस तरह के सवाल को पहला नंबर सवाल बन गया. कैसे? जब 1 by B plus C plus 1 by C plus A plus 1 comma 1 by A plus B are in AP. We just prove this. 1 by B plus C, 1 by C plus A, 1 by A plus B will be in AP. ठीक इसी तरह अब यह सवाल बन जाएगा. My dear student, since B plus C minus A by A, C plus A minus B by B, A plus B minus C by C are in AP. So adding 2 in each term, we have B plus C minus A plus 2A by A. C plus A minus B plus 2B by B. a plus b minus c plus 2c by c. So b plus c plus a divided by a, c plus a plus b divided by b, a plus b plus c divided by c are in AP. That is why 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are in AP. My dear student, in this way we can solve some problems by using some technique. The sum of n arithmetic mean between two numbers is n times the single arithmetic mean between them. That is a1 plus a2 plus so on plus an is equal to n time of a plus b by 2. My dear student, this problem is also very, very important for the multiple type of questions. a1, a2, so on, a and b, n arithmetics mean between two numbers a and b. So b is equal to, b is last term, a plus n plus 2 minus 1 by d. So d is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. Now a1 plus a2 plus so on plus an is equal to n by 2, a1 plus an. That is a plus b. That is n times of a plus b by 2. That is n times of m of a and b. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैंने जो सवाल MCQ टाइप का आपके पास वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं भेज रहा हूँ, सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज में भी कल भेजा हूँ, बल्कि आज छुट्टी थी, फिर भी मैंने कल के छुट्टी का, आज की छुट्टी का इस्तेमाल करके आपके लिए फिर एक वीडियो अपलोड कर रहा हूँ। आशा है इन सब वीडियो के तमाम सवाल को आप बार बार बनाइएगा। वी विल सॉल्व दी प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ वीडियोज frequently and you watch the videos, take the classes regularly and try to solve the problem by taking notes from hard copy and watching videos. Thank you very much.